Hello guys, welcome to the new video CPR relationship of 2-day strategy 2, that is overlapping higher value relationship. In this video, I show you in details with chart strategy where to buy, where to sell and where to put a stop loss and what will be the overall market view. There are total 7 2-day CPR relationship strategies. This is the second one. If you learn something from my video and it is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and like and share the video. Let us take a recap of the first strategy, that is higher value relationship of 2-day CPR. In the left side, this is the higher value relationship, price open above the CPR. This is the previous day CPR, that is top CPR, pivot and bottom CPR, and this is the current day CPR. If the value is open higher than the previous CPR and the also CPR is high, then it is called higher value relationship, price open above the CPR, and you have to buy on pullback, that is buy on dip in the near to the CPR. Okay, this and this is the right side is the higher value relationship, price close below the CPR. If the current day CPR is open from above the previous day CPR and the price also price open below the CPR, then you have to go for sell near the CPR. It is, that is sell on rip. Okay, this is called sell on rip. Okay, if you want to know more about this, the strategy 1, that is the about the higher value relationship of 2-day CPR, then you can go for search as pivot power CPR relationship. Okay, the second range relationship is the overlapping higher value relationship, which offers a moderately bullish outlook, means it is somewhat bullish for the upcoming session. This relationship occurs when today pivot range is higher than yesterday's range but overlap to some degree. Therefore, the top of the range is higher than the top of the yesterday's range, but the bottom of the range is lower than the yesterday's range, means the TC. TC is the current of day of the TC is higher than the previous TC, but current day BC is lower than current day's TC. Okay, the same closing and opening price dynamics are in effect for this relationship as well. If the market closes above the range in the previous session, a bullish bias should be assigned to the following days. Okay. However, the market opens in the low of the following session, either reject or accept this directional bias. Okay. Let us go for the chart with details analysis of the strategy 2, that is overlapping higher value relationship. Okay, this is the bank nifty chart of 15-minute chart. We have to analysis on 16th June and 17th June. This is the 16th June CPR. This is the central CPR. This is top CPR. This is the bottom CPR. This is top CPR means TC. This is BC. This is pivot, central pivot. Okay. This is the previous. This is known as previous day CPR. This is current day. Suppose this is current day CPR. This CPR is open above the previous day CPR. This is the previous day CPR. And it is somewhat overlap. See, the top CPR of the previous day is higher than the bottom CPR of current day CPR. Okay, in this price open here and it is goes to this. The strategy is when the price go open, you don't take buy call here. When it will be take pullback, it is take pullback here, from here to here it take pullback. Okay, then your buying call should be here only or also here in this red candle, but you can take the buy call here only. Which one? You can take the buy call in this candle only, this candle. Okay, you take the buy call in this candle, then your stop loss should be below the CPR here. Your stop loss should be here. Okay, and your profit to be 1:2. The risk reward is 1:2. You take the profit here. Okay, you book the profit in this level. Okay, this is the strategy, but this is moderately bullish. This is not a higher bullish, but this is the case of fast strategy. This is the fast strategy. The fast strategy is the 2-day pivot CPR relationship. Fast strategy is the higher value. This is bullish signal. This is the fast strategy. You can search for the pivot power, the higher value relationship. You can search in YouTube. Okay, for the fast strategy, this is the second strategy. Second strategy is somewhat working. It is the in the chart it is generating very not frequently. Someday uh, in a month, 2-3 day it is generated, but you can watch, you can know the all the CPR relationship, then you can uh, buy and sell, or what is your stop loss and what is your entry. You can all know and analysis this. Okay, this is the simple strategy of the overlapping 2-day CPR. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye. We will see next video of the strategy 3. Thank you. Bye.